Elite Media presents Itineraries of Monferrato. There are places that tell stories, places where time flows more slowly, where the land carries the scent of vineyards and tradition. Monferrato, in the province of Asti, a corner of Italy that enchants, wrapped in rolling hills and villages suspended between past and present. Here, in the heart of Piedmont, among the neatly arranged rows that shape the landscape, the sun caresses the ancient vineyards, gifting the grapes with a flavor that will become wine, a precious nectar that tells the passion of generations of winemakers. Nizza Monferrato, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its landscape and the excellence of its Barbera wine, stands as one of the most important centers of the province alongside Canelli, forming the heart of the Valle Belbo. This lively town is a symbol of Monferrato's winemaking tradition and cultural heritage. Beneath the hills of Canelli lies an extraordinary treasure, the underground cathedrals. These historic cellars, carved into the limestone tuff centuries ago, stretch for over 20 kilometers beneath the city. Every corner of Monferrato exudes history, labor, and passion, because here the land is not just land, it is life, memory, and future. And then there is taste, the authentic one. A lunch of golden tajarin pasta with fragrant truffle, a glass of Barbera wine that warms the heart. Flavors that speak of home, of roots, of authenticity. Every dish tells a story made of simple yet precious ingredients, of gestures passed down through generations, of a cuisine that is the sincere expression of the soul of this land. Monferrato is not just a journey through its hills and villages. It is the deep breath of one who stops to watch the sun set behind golden vineyards. It is the breeze caressing your face as you walk along paths immersed in nature. It is the sound of the wind playing through the leaves and the song of birds at dawn. Monferrato, in the province of Asti, is the charm of a story that continues to be written every day. In the tales of the elders, in the hands of the young carrying on traditions, in the daily gestures that make this land great. Discover all the places at elitemedia.it.